Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you.
What time is it?
It's 7:30 a.m.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
Do you want to go to the park today?
Yes, that sounds fun.
What did you eat for lunch?
I had a sandwich and some fruit.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Can you help me with this math problem?
Of course, let me see it.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like Friends.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, just let me grab my bag.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to my cousin's birthday party.
Do you want to play a game?
Sure. What do you want to play?
How was your day at school?
It was good. We learned about dinosaurs.
What's the weather like outside?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
I'm going to watch a movie with my family.
Can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, my favorite flavor is strawberry.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a mystery novel.
How do you spell your name?
It's spelled Sarh.
What time does the movie start?
It starts at 8 p.m.
Do you have a pencil I can use?
Yes, here you go.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting.
Are you going to the party on Saturday?
Yes, I'll be there.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking with my family.
Do you like pizza or burgers more?
I like pizza more.
What's your favorite song?
I love Shape of You by Ed Sheeran.
Can I come with you to the store?
Sure, let's go together.
What did you do after school?
I went to the library to study.
How long does it take to get to the park?
About 15 minutes by bike.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, I could use some fresh air.
How do you make pancakes?
I need flour, eggs, and milk.
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Sure, here it is.
Are you going on vacation this summer?
Yes, we're going to the beach.
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Lion King.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I learned last year.